PC Products PC-11 Marine Epoxy Paste is a thick two-part adhesive that really grips to wet, dry, and even fully submerged surfaces, making it ideal for tough marine and outdoor repairs. In use, it bonds confidently to a wide range of materials like metal, wood, fiberglass, concrete, glass, tile, and stone, so one product can handle many different repair jobs around the boat or home. The generous working time gives you a comfortable window to position parts, smooth the surface, and correct mistakes before it hardens, which is especially helpful on larger or more critical repairs. Its paste-like consistency has strong initial tack that lets you work on vertical and overhead areas without annoying drips or sagging, so you can patch hulls, tanks, and ceilings with less mess. Once cured, it stands up well to water, fuel, detergents, and everyday chemicals. So repairs on tanks, plumbing, and bilge areas hold up in real-world conditions instead of failing after a season. The cured epoxy is non-conductive and handles a wide temperature range from cold to fairly hot environments, giving long-lasting, stable repairs on everything from outdoor fixtures to engine bay components.